Hey guys, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a or center text in a div, like in the middle of the page. You know how like sometimes like you're trying to create a landing page and you just want to put your text in the middle of the page. I'm going to show you guys how to do it using HTML and CSS. So I basically have my code pen available right here. So I'm just going to click on pen, and if you have what's it called? VSC Visual Studio Code. You can do it on that, but I prefer to use CodePen because I built a lot of projects on CodePen. So let's click on CodePen right here. Let me maximize this because I literally. Okay, so it appears on the screen. Okay, so this is the HTML side of things. So let's give this a div, and let's call it container. And this is freestyling. I'm literally just coding off the dome. So a container, let me just save this as practice test. Okay, so we have a div class called container, and so within this container, we want to put some text in the container. So let's say, let's give it an H1, and let's say let's name the text welcome. Just simple welcome. So you have a welcome text here, and this text is situated in the top left corner of your HTML file. So just welcome, how do you situate welcome within the center of a web document? So basically all you need to do is use CSS. Pretty simple. I prefer to use SCSS for some reason because like I like this how you can style it better. So normally in CSS, I like to go with the pretty much standard setting. So you would give the padding a 0, you'd give the margin a 0, and you'd give the box size and border box. And this pretty much makes your using this doesn't make sure you don't have any predefined settings already. So normally, like in case like you're working on a much complicated sort of project, you don't want there to have like some amount of padding given into it. Whereas, so if you're trying to create like if you're trying to have like a background wallpaper, if you don't set your margin and your padding to 0, there's still going to be some leftover white space, and that's pretty weird to look at when you're like looking at it from a phone or like even from your computer. So this is pretty much set. So we're going to go to container and make sure if you put in a div a class, you start with a period. So you have container here, and so basically you want to situate the container in the middle of the HTML file. I forgot how you do this. I think you'd say align items center. Nah, let's say display flex, because that's the only way. And then you'd justify content center. Translate minus 50. Oh, wait, position. There you have it. Okay. So basically, this is what I did. Normally, in order to situate something in the middle of the text, you need to, if you embed in a class, I don't know if display flex even matters. Um, but I just saw this somewhere. But if you really want to, I just go with display flex. So it's like movable, and then you use absolute, which puts it at an extreme end of things from where the cursor starts, I believe. And then you just use the typical align center and justify content center to just center it wherever it is. And I think the main changing points are just the 50% here, 50% that, and then this to negate, like, sort of like nullify everything. I don't know if what I'm saying even makes fucking sense, but this is basically the only way to censor a text. And there you have it. So if you want to censor something, hey, just copy and use this shit, bro. I have, hopefully what I said makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna keep. I gotta look for the answers. But yeah, this is what I do all the time. Okay, see y'all when I see you.